So this Pelican 1060 case just arrived, and I want to put my GoPro Hero 5 Session and Max both in it, along with a selfie stick, some cases, charging, and a tripod adapter. And actually I might even add a little tripod into there. But what I want to do is make little sections for each of them out of this plastic, which I picked up from Amazon for a few dollars. It was a 1 foot by 1 foot piece that I've used some of. And then fill in some of the stuff with foam so it fits really well. So I'm going to get started on that. So I found this little tripod with these bendy legs, and it'll fit pretty nicely in there somewhere. And yeah, I'll get to measuring and cutting this out. So I just hot glued in the pieces that I cut out. You can see they are 3 different pieces there. 1, 2, and 3. And here, if I take these out, I can show you exactly what they are. Get all these out. The camera and the selfie stick actually fit quite snugly, whether that be good or bad. But pretty simple. It holds it all in there. And now I'll just get some foam on top and I'll have my completed box. So here it is completed. You can see if I shake it around, it doesn't really move. Really the only thing that moves is the tripod adapter. Open it up. Inside we've got these 2 strips of foam, which actually I saved them from the packaging of 2 LiPo batteries that I bought a few months ago. And on top right here we've got the charger for the GoPros. And then next we have the Hero 5 Session. We have the GoPro to tripod adapter right there by Smartree, or Smuttree, I don't know how you pronounce that. We have the tripod right here going to that thing. And then we have the selfie stick along with its little screw for it. And finally we have the GoPro Max with both of its lens covers on. And I think I'll slip in its microfiber cloth as well, which did not come with it. I supplied that myself. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Pretty easy to make. The 12-inch by 12-inch sheet of plastic, I think it's ABS, it's right here, I've hardly still used any of it, was on Amazon for like $4.99. It was super cheap. So yeah, you should build one of these. The box was like 15 bucks. So for less than 20 bucks, you could get a really good case for your GoPro. It's fully waterproof and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.